I'm not working on Saturday, I'm not working on Sunday.
The sentence that I don't work on Sundays is the last word on the list. Another question is that's involution. Involution. 内卷 or the Chinese, right? Among Russians, local Russians. Do they work overtime a lot?
That's very interesting word. First, I was really surprised, and then I recalled that I read this word in another context, not the legal industry. So, then I realized that most of my connections were in-house counsels, not Chinese law firms, because the service scope of myself was outside of China. So,
Okay.
and then I collected the impression, asked some guys who moved to law firms, and then realized how huge the competition in China. And I would say that in Russia, the involution is maybe in place just for some small industries like top elite A transactions, where there are many nice professional guys with a limited number of orders, or maybe some top criminal cases when there is some top people and few cases and many nice criminal lawyers. But in general, I wouldn't say that there is general industry condition in Russia. So, and still, many of my friends who are running legal business, they manage work-life balance, and they have an opportunity to say that I'm not taking this case, like I'm not working on Saturday, I'm not working on Sunday, and that's less stressful, definitely. The general impression, there are always some fish in the sea, and no such huge fight and competition like
the sentence that I don't work on Sundays is the last word on the list. So we have so much competition in China in all industries, especially in the big cities like Beijing and Shanghai, and some other cities that the competition is not so much, and people there tend to enjoy their lives. They have a very good work-life balance. But in Beijing, especially in our legal industry, we have so much competition. But it's okay. I mean, as lawyers, we may find our own ways to break through, right? Innovation. I think there's a very good metaphor is that innovation is like running on the treadmill, and you're running so hard, like a long time, but find out you're still in the same place.